Right, this is my review of this caravan. Let me just show you what's in here. It's literally a home from home. It's really lovely. It's a beautiful site we're on. And I'm sorry if it's a bit untidy at the moment, but we just literally unpacked. If you know what site I'm on, please leave it in the comments if you guess where I am, because I'm not going to state where I am. But this has everything. Also, you've got your little telly, got a gas fire down here, plenty of seating. This dining table is normally over here. Plenty of seating. I believe I'm actually in a 4-berth, and I know it says Cyprus, whatever. I'll be honest, I'm not into caravan holidays, but this site in particular has really got me into them. It's really quiet, really peaceful, and they have, you know, like a quiet policy after 10:30. No entertainment on site, no bar on site, which suits me fine because I'm really enjoying the peace and quiet, to be honest. And the surroundings are stunning. It's like if you look out that window, if you look straight across, you've got the moors, and I'll show you behind the caravan in a minute. I really suffer from really bad anxiety, so this holiday suits me to the ground. It's really brought my anxiety levels down, and I've just been able to totally relax. And to be honest, I'm thinking maybe the UK is not bad for holidays after all, especially when you find a gem of a site like this. And like I say, if you recognise where I am, leave a comment and let me know what you think. Let me show you what they got. You've got everything you could possibly need. You've got your glasses, you've got food storage, you've got your little sink area, kettle, oven, brilliant full gas oven, more storage, more plates, everything you could possibly need. More for food storage. There's some crockery in there, cups, kettle, toaster. They thought of everything, really. The only thing I haven't found is actually a hairdryer. The one item I forgot to bring with me. That we've got a microwave. This is still the kitchen area. A little freezer space, which is ideal. You can put a week's worth of food in there. Fridge. Spotless, totally spotless. To be honest, I've stayed in 5-star hotels that have been less clean than here. I haven't found anything. I couldn't even complain. If I could find anything to complain about, I would try, but there's nothing to complain about. Like I say, I'm not into caravans. Definitely not into caravan holidays. I don't think I've done one since my kids were really, really young. Like I say, I've stayed in some 5-star hotels that are scruffier and more uncomfortable than here. Just the shower room. I'm sorry, like I say, we're still unpacking. Brilliant shower, massive. Even walk with what's his name could fit 4 people in that shower, surely. But it's spotless. It smells nice. Actually, I'm going to turn the light off. I'm trying to be eco-friendly. It's the bedroom, massive, loads of space. And let me show you the view out the back. I love it because I love the countryside. I'm not into the beach. Brilliant dog-friendly site. Where I just showed you is actually a dog walk right across the ploughed field. How heaven is that? Not across the ploughed field, around the ploughed field, I should say. Storage area. Seriously, you're spoilt for room. I've never seen this much room in a hotel room. You've got cupboards, loads of cupboard space, loads of lighting, another wardrobe, more drawers. Like I say, sorry about the mess. Look, wardrobe with hangers, loads of cupboard space, ample cupboard space. There's nothing that I can say negative about this place. Like I say, twin rooms. Let me just turn the light on. I mean, plenty of space. Like I say, sorry, this room is a bit cluttered up at the moment because we just put all our cases in here. But just plenty of room. It's like so spacey and so private as well. And that's for the site itself. Just so quiet and peaceful. Microwave. I've got to point that out. A little wine rack. I notice it's empty because I drank all my wine. This is Easter weekend. And to be honest, you can't hear anything. If you want peace and quiet, don't get me wrong, you know, there's lots of families on here, but you wouldn't believe it. You're so, how can I explain it? You're just so tucked away, it's just so quiet. And it's a family run site. And like I say, if you know or have a clue where I am, put it in the comments. The only clue I'm going to give you is, yes, it's in Devon. And if I look directly across there, that is Dartmoor. And on a nice clear day, you can see a few of the tours on Dartmoor. Obviously, we had torrential rain yesterday or last night. But to be honest, today has been a beautiful day. It's turned out lovely. The sun's come out. The sunset's been beautiful. And I don't know if you can appreciate that sky out there. But the sky is beautiful tonight. And if you can hear anything, let me know. Because the only thing I hear is the birds singing. And I'm in my element because I love the countryside. So looking at that field behind me, I could look at that all day. And I feel totally relaxed. It is heaven. So, like I say, please leave in the comments if you can guess where I am and tell me what you think, because I'd really be interested. I haven't seen any negative comments on reviews. I think rightly deserved. This site is getting 100% reviews, and it's a family run site. It is spotless, so well maintained. It's also a working farm, but they have it spot on. And if you're not into your entertainment and into your bars and seeing a few drunks, you know, and all the loud noises that come here, it would be highly recommended by me. I couldn't recommend it enough. It's done me the world of good. I felt quite ill before I came here. And like I said, there's some beautiful, stunning walks around here. So, like I said before, if you can guess exactly where I am, please leave it in the comments and let me know what you think, because I'll tell you, this family have done an amazing job on this site. So yeah, please like and subscribe. Let me know what you think, and please, if you have any idea or you want to take a guess of where you think I am, put it in the comments and I promise I will answer. Thank you for watching, and come back soon. I might even go for a walk around the site itself tomorrow to give you more clues exactly where I am. But thank you for watching, and bye for now, and have a brilliant Easter, everyone, wherever you are.